Had an amazing day yesterday for Easter. Who phone dead? Your phone dead? Oh, my baby said her phone dead. She say her phone is dead. Girl, you gotta put it on a charger. Look at that. Oh, you know you could do that. Anyways, good morning, and happy Monday. It is Monday on my end. It is Mama India from the Coleman Crew family. Notice I said family, not just the Coleman Crew, because we have also another channel, which is the Coleman Crew Kids. And if you're not subscribed to that channel, be sure to do so before the end of this video. But we had an amazing Easter. I hope you done the same. Say hey. Say hey, Ira. So we are in the office. Excuse my hair. I have not done anything to it other than get up, dress myself, as well as the kids, brush our teeth, wash our face, and eat. But we enjoyed our Easter. I have done a lot of different changes since, like, I don't know, it's been over 2-3 months since I've kind of been like rumbling through the house with the camera. So today, that is my plans. I plan on showing y'all the difference between my office space and the kids areas, which is I'm speaking on their little room. I call their rooms their own little houses, because they have their own personal space that they need to use. So I'm gonna get up and show y'all. I done a deep clean a few days ago. What my deep clean consists of is like a spring clean. What my spring clean consists of is actually going through clothes in the closet, stored clothes under the bed, pulling out spring clothes, putting summer stuff out, as well as making sure like they winter stuff is pushed to the back. Also going through different sizes. If like one is too small for the next one, it goes to the next one, and furthermore like that. Decluttering, if it's something that we have not used in a while, I don't plan on using it all, I like to not throw it away, but bless somebody else with it. She drooling so bad. So yes, my hair is looking kind of dry and rough. Cause guess what? This mama done everybody's hair yesterday, but my own. That's the real mama right there. I didn't focus on my hair. I put it up in a little bun. But everybody else hair got done yesterday, but mine. But as long as we enjoy, that's all that matters. You finished the class, Ivan? You need to do reading. You need to read on Oprah for 10 to 15 minutes. And I don't care what you. And then not only that, I said you need to do Dreambox. Why are you in my space? Why are you in here? Like, I'm just able to get my space. Why are you in here? Why? You need to do Epic for 10 and 15 minutes. You need to do Dreambox for 15 to 20 minutes. Your teacher has up the time. Do they ever give me my space, y'all? Do I ever get my own little space? Like, he in here, then came in here, propped up his computer. He got his computer, y'all, and pulled the chair up. The chair is not in here just for them just to say, okay, my mama got an extra chair in here. Let me prop up. No. You can go in that family room with class at. That's where y'all space is surreal. And I'm not trying to feel cluttered. I'm talking about this now because when I feel cluttered, I'm going to get to moving around, and I want to relax and do what I need to do. Not in my office. So yes, let me show y'all around. Y'all know, if y'all don't know, I am a mother of 8 in here. So I don't sugarcoat nothing when I'm fussing at them and when I'm getting on to them. I'm going to do what I need to do as a mother. So, I'm about to show y'all the difference between my space area. And show y'all around. So I am sitting at my desk. So this is the computer. I have a little, what do you call this? Like a little, I don't know. It's like a board. Like the, but it's with wording. I can put whatever I want to put on here. Y'all know I added the press and the Cricut that's covered up. I also added other materials to my office. I have something coming that's in store, and I will show y'all what this space will be used for right there. But for now, I just have my Canon printer there. I have decoration there as well as a TV posted up on the wall. My board did say no kids. I do not allow my kids in my office when I'm not in here. I barely even like them in here when I'm sitting in here. There. Tasting to the seasoning. A blend for all foods. Got my little banner. Back here I have the Alexa flowers that my sister gave, and stuff here like the little decoration. It says, "Friends are the flowers in the garden of life." And my sister has glitter in her veins and Jesus in her heart. Have stuff stored down here for projects coming up. Kids stuff in these little clear things, as well as down at the bottom my Cricut stuff. Extra supplies, ring light, and the camera back there. Here are extra supplies. A tasty to seasoning bag, my gate to lock the kids up, and I do have a basket of clothes to fold. Let's see what he up in here doing. He got this big, bean bag. I end up getting him, I think I've showed y'all this desk. This is his little area over here. And I gave him my old computer chair. He needs to get off his phone. Man room is not tidy and clean and neat, of course. He don't sleep in his bed, so I got him this. Man room has lights, but they're not going all the way around. His behavior for staying up all night will dictate if he get the extra lights. He had thrown his body off his schedule, trying to stay up all night, like late at night, and staying up all night and staying asleep all day when you should be up. So his extra lights has been stored up there, and the extra pad and cushion stuff. End up buying more just to even sit it up higher, but like I said, his actions would dictate if he received those. My spring cleaning consisted of me adding new towels, changing out the old ones. The old ones I end up putting in the kids' bathroom for if we ever have guests come over or so. So these will be those for them. Their bathroom is cleaned. Smells good. So yeah, I've done a deep clean with their bathroom, as well as watching the shower curtain. So now I'm walking in the boys' room. The boys' room is not cleaned up. I asked y'all to clean up. Why is these pillows down here? Why is there dirty clothes? Ivan. Come clean this room. Get this stuff up. I'm recording and trying to show y'all rooms, and it's dirty. It's not dirty. Let me rephrase it. In my mind, it's dirty, but it's stuff on the floor. This is their lights. I changed their covers out. That was a part of my spring clean. Their drawers was already cleaned out with clothes. I don't want to change it. What you trying to tell them, the remotes? You need to pick up dirty clothes before you be trying to tell them something. He trying to show y'all how to change, how they lights change. Do your dream box some more. You took your cover. You took your cover like down at the bottom. It's messy. Ivan's is neat. I'm about to leave and to go in another room. I need y'all to finish fixing y'all room.
We put music on the music. They have lights. We put music on.
Yeah, the lights dance to music. Also, a part of the spring clean was washing the old covers after pulling them off their bed. This is the girls' room. It is not cleaned up, like, not really. Let me keep rephrasing it. They did not get up and fix their beds. And whatever clothes they got on, they threw the hangers on the bed. But for as their toys and the little space area and stuff, that is clean and neat, how I expect it to look. They have extra lights on their walls. I put those picture frames up. And that I changed the clock out, but I also changed their covers too. So that one hanging is the old one. Somebody got a juice on the floor. I changed out their clothes. Aria has a whole new wardrobe. From here to there, they have newer clothes. And I got rid of, not red, but I swapped out their closet. Went through their clothes, but for the boys, they didn't need to do that. So that's the part of our spring cleaning. You see, this don't make no sense. Somebody got gum. I would never buy gum again. I knew better then, but I just thought, okay, I didn't buy that much for Easter. I shouldn't have to pick up no candy off no floors and out no closets and off nothing.